Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best pool cleaners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Vaper Automatic Pool Cleaner. A large 5000 mAh powerful lithium battery offers up to 60 to 90 minutes of non-stop cleaning after charging 4 to 6 hours. This innovative robotic pool cleaner is designed for in-ground and above-ground swimming pool with flat floor up to 861 square feet. You can take back your free time and enjoy a cleaner pool without the rigorous labor of cleaning manually. This cordless automatic pool cleaner built in 2 strong suction doors and 1 brush in the middle of the bottom. That easily travels the floor of your pool, attack all kinds of garbage like leaf spuds, tough dirt, debris, and cleaning hard to reach spaces. It features in touch and reverse technology, helps touch wall then reverse running direction. At number 6 we have Zodiac Pool Cleaner. The Polaris Vac Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner works in all in-ground pools and requires a booster pump. It is powered by double jets providing greater vacuum power and faster cleaning. The Polaris 280 easily connects to a dedicated pressure line and sweeps, scrubs and vacuums all surfaces of the pool. The pressure cleaner is equipped with a single chamber filter bag where it captures large debris. Its unique filter bag removes debris before it reaches your pump basket or filter, prolonging the life of your filtration system. At number 5 we have Aprsmart Pool Cleaner. This is the newest cordless robotic pool cleaner with wall climbing function, 4-wheel drive system, intelligent route plan, tech cordless design. That's making this a top-line cleaner in every aspect by Aprsmart. This 8600 mAh battery offers up to 90 minutes of non-stop cleaning after charging 7 to 8 hours, no risk of cable twist. This innovative automatic pool cleaner is designed for in/above ground swimming pool suit for 1,614 square feet. At number 4 we have Zodiac Automatic Pool Cleaner. The G3 suction cleaner is a versatile in-ground suction cleaner that delivers superior performance and is compatible with low-speed pumps for maximum efficiency. It is quick and easy to set up. This compact cleaner effectively inhales small and medium debris while thoroughly cleaning pool floors, walls and steps. The G3 has a long-life diaphragm providing superior reliability. Plus a quick-release cassette makes it easy to access the diaphragm when needed. At number 3 we have Vaper. This pool cleaner's vacuum is the lightest model in the market and you can easily remove from the pool. The package comes with a retrieving hook to pull out the cordless pool cleaner without going into the pool after completing the working cycle. It will automatically reverse when it touches the wall. The buzzer will be alarming when lifting out of the pool. You can press the switch to off and the cleaner will be shut down. At number 2 we have Otcomo Top Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The pool cleaner has 2 wide suction doors. Water enters the nozzle from the suction door to push the pool cleaner forward. You can control the direction of the robot by rotating the angle of the nozzle. This pool cleaner suitable for all kinds shape of the pool. The pool cleaner will automatically run in the opposite direction when it touches the pool wall. This swimming pool vacuum is equipped with 2 motors which can provide enough suction power. At number 1 we have Paxus Robotic Pool Cleaner. This Paxus automatic pool cleaner possesses 4 pieces PVC roller brushes to provide powerful adsorption and excellent wall climbing without any worry about falling when climbing. After it finishes cleaning the waterline, the pool cleaner will go back to the pool from the wall. This automatic swimming pool cleaner is the newest type of efficient automatic pool cleaning equipment. The pool vacuum cleaner is controlled by intelligent computer programs so it can bring you all-round cleaning. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best pool cleaners for your need.